When homeowners think about increasing property value, they often focus on kitchen upgrades or landscaping improvements. While those updates can make a difference, windows are one of the most impactful features of a home. Energy-efficient windows not only improve comfort and performance, but they also enhance overall property appeal. For homeowners in Pasadena, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a practical investment that can positively influence long-term home value. First impressions matter. Curb appeal plays a significant role in property value. Windows are a prominent exterior feature, and outdated or worn frames can affect how a home is perceived. Energy-efficient windows give Pasadena homes a clean, updated appearance. Their modern design and well-maintained finish signal that the property has been thoughtfully upgraded. Improved comfort attracts buyers. Today's buyers often prioritize comfort and efficiency when evaluating a home. Energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce drafts. In Pasadena homes, this creates a more comfortable living environment that prospective buyers notice immediately. Lower energy consumption is appealing. Many homeowners are increasingly aware of energy performance and long-term savings. Energy-efficient windows help reduce unnecessary heat transfer and limit air leakage. For Pasadena buyers, this improvement suggests lower energy use and a more sustainable home. Supporting year-round temperature stability. Temperature fluctuations can negatively impact the appeal of a home. Rooms that feel too warm or too cool may leave a lasting impression. Energy-efficient windows in Pasadena properties help create balanced indoor conditions. This stability contributes to a positive viewing experience for potential buyers. Enhanced natural light without sacrificing comfort. Bright, well-lit homes feel more inviting and spacious. Energy-efficient windows allow natural light to fill Pasadena interiors while maintaining insulation. This combination of brightness and comfort enhances overall property presentation. Reduced noise levels. Quiet living spaces are another desirable feature for homeowners. Energy-efficient windows often provide improved sound insulation. In Pasadena homes, reduced outside noise adds to the property's appeal and perceived value. Modern design meets practical performance. Energy-efficient windows offer more than performance, they enhance architectural style. Whether installed in traditional or contemporary Pasadena homes, these windows contribute to a polished, cohesive exterior. Their aesthetic value complements the practical benefits they provide. Long-term durability. Home value is influenced by the expected lifespan of major components. Energy-efficient windows are built with durable materials and advanced sealing systems. Pasadena homeowners benefit from long-term reliability that reassures future buyers. Increased buyer confidence. When a home includes updated features such as energy-efficient windows, it signals that the property has been well maintained. In Pasadena neighborhoods, buyers often appreciate upgrades that reduce the need for immediate improvements. Energy-efficient windows provide that added confidence. A smart investment for present and future. While primary goal of installing energy-efficient windows may be to improve comfort, the added value extends beyond daily living. For homeowners in Pasadena, energy-efficient windows positively impact home value by enhancing curb appeal, improving indoor comfort, and supporting modern efficiency expectations. Whether you plan to sell in the future or simply want to invest wisely in your property, upgrading your windows is a meaningful step that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits. Energy-efficient windows are more than a home improvement. They are a strategic investment that strengthens comfort, appeal, and overall property value in Pasadena.